Picture this. You're stranded in the wild with limited resources. The sun's setting, and you're starting to feel the weight of your situation. How are you going to survive the night? The key to survival might just be in the water. What if I told you that knowing how to catch fish with nothing but a few basic tools could make all the difference? Today we're diving into survival fishing, an essential skill when every moment counts. In a survival scenario, a fish could be your lifeline. But can you catch it with just what you've got around you? Stay tuned, because this tip could save your life when resources are scarce. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today's topic, survival fishing, catching fish with limited gear. In a survival situation, the ability to catch fish could be your best shot at securing a reliable food source. But here's the thing, you won't always have a fancy fishing rod. You'll need to make do with what's around you. So what are the best fish to catch in an emergency? Think about species like trout, bass, and bluegill. These are common, and in many areas, they're easier to catch using basic techniques. Now let's talk tools. If you've got string, sticks, or even your bare hands, you're already halfway there. You can easily make a spear out of a sharp stick, or create a fishing line with string and a makeshift hook. It's all about resourcefulness. One simple technique is using a fish trap made from natural materials like rocks or sticks to corral fish. In rivers and streams, you can even use the current to your advantage. Sometimes patience is your best tool, letting the fish come to you. It's all about being adaptable. Every environment is different, so learn the area around you. Whether it's a lake, river, or stream, the more you understand, the higher your chances of success. But here's the plot twist. Fishing might not always be your best option. In certain situations, you may find other sources of food to be more efficient or accessible. Traps, foraging, or hunting small game could yield quicker results. Sometimes fishing takes more time and energy than it's worth, especially if you're in an area without many fish. That's why you need to consider all your options and know when to switch gears to something more practical. If you missed our last video, we covered how to prepare for an ant invasion, something every prepper needs to know. And next up, we'll be diving into types of clothing to survive extreme cold. Don't miss it. What's the most creative survival fishing technique you've ever heard of? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow preppers, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another life-saving survival tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay prepared, stay safe,